Okay, this was a stubborn TP holder. It's always like, you know, one or two screws that just don't want to cooperate. This thing is just stripped out.
So I broke off the side holder.
But one tool that works good is a pair of vice grips. If you can get in there. Hopefully there's enough room. Put them on. Take off the old pieces. Tightens like so. Clip it on. Now we can just spin it out. Nice and easy. There's always a way. And this way this is cabinet's getting reskinned. So this way we can knock down and scrape off the bump there, and that way everything's going to seat. It'll sit really good and it won't pop off on us, because just take off anything that would sit high, and that way now the skin will sit nice and flush.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.